Hi guys, we're at Onibury Level crossing Shrops with Callow and Joe. We're just lowering. I'm sorry for this again. 13:41, Wednesday, 1st of June 2016. We have two trains again. This is for our, where is it? 13:41, 1 Victor 95, Hoyhead to Clonelly, and our 13:37, 1 Whiskey 14, Ring Train Station Norfolk to Manchester, site delayed. There's the old station building. Oh, and here's our bus to Ludlow. There's only one every couple of hours. Hopefully there should be two 175s. Could be a 150 if it's Clonelly service. But nothing up there, so probably the cheap one first. Milford to Manchester, which is delayed. Stopped after Strong at Ludlow. Would you go? That bus is somehow going. Nothing there, nothing there. Well, we are at the 1.5 end. Here we go, we have 175, 110. 110 to Manchester. I'm staying. Two train will just be around the corner. Let me double check if he's staying. And we have 175. 175, 114. 114 to Clonelly and up we go. And try some next video.